Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 13th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's linked at the end of the video over here in the corner. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, I got the 4 hour time frame zoomed out a bunch. And by the way, today is CPI inflation data for the US, which definitely should affect the yen pairs. The reason why I'm zoomed out so far on the 4 hour is because I want to show you that my target is still either the 78% or maybe the 61%. I still think this is either going to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows up to the 61, like that, or maybe the 78, like that, before it actually continues the downtrend. So keeping that in mind because it's very important. Down here on the 4 hour time frame and below, we definitely should be looking for logs. We definitely do not have a break of structure. My last major structure right here is way down there, which means that I am definitely looking at any moves I see to the downside as possible pullbacks within an uptrend. I see no break of structure to the downside on like the higher time frames, like the 4 hour and up. I definitely don't see any significant lower highs or any reason at all to think that any of these moves down are nothing more than pullbacks within an uptrend. So I'm definitely still looking for longs at the end of three-way pullbacks, potentially for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.